Hello and welcome back again to another video. So in this video, we're going to look at 10 best pre-text to image generator. Now this 10 best pre-text to image generator is not based on the quality, but it is based on how many images you can generate each day and also based on no watermark. So let's count down. Number 10 is Lexica. You might have already known about Lexica, and also we have a little bit preview of a video here about Lexica. So Lexica is a great place that you can generate images. The image coming out from it is very stunningly beautiful. Now we're going to use the same prompt for all of these 10 best pre-text to image generator. So let's get started. So here I got a prompt that we're going to use across the board for all of these 10 best pre-text to image generator. And with Lexica, you are given 100 images per month to generate. So let's see how the image comes out. So simply type in your prompt, and if you have a negative prompt, you can type in your negative prompt here, and you click on the advanced settings here to see the model type, and you have the Lexica Aperture version 2 and version 3. And you have the scale guide, and you have the dimension here. Since it's portrait, let's go with 768 by 1152 and let's generate it. Okay, so here are our images that we just generate using this prompt here, and you can see here you can click and you can right click to save it, or load prompt into editor, or load image into editor to generate based on that. Okay, so that's number 10. Number 9 is Getimg.AI. So here in Getimg.AI, so you can see they have different models here that you can choose from to generate your images with. So let's just go with Stable Diffusion 2.1 by Stability AI. Once we have that, let's type in our prompt. I'll just copy and paste the prompt in here, and you have this negative prompt here, and let's just click on generate. So using Getimg AI, you are given 100 pre-credits per month, just like Lexica, where you generate 100 images per month. So here are our 4 images that we just generated using Stable Diffusion 2.1 in Getimg.AI. So you can choose which one you want to download. You can click it, and you can see the images from here. You can also enhance spaces from here, and you can also upscale from here. So let's move on to number 8. Number 8 is Nightcafe Studio. So here in Nightcafe Studio, you are given 5 daily credits. So if you log in every day, you will be given 5 credits per day. So here we have a prompt, and you have the option of choosing from the algorithm here. You have the stable, you have the daily, and others here. You also have the option of choosing from the model, Stable Diffusion 1.5, 2.1, and the latest stability by Stability AI is Stable Diffusion XL. So let's select that, and you also have the style here. You can choose from any of this style, but if you're choosing as the XL, you can see the XDXL here. So you can choose from any of these. So let's just select the Hyperreal here, and then under here you can see you have the number of images that you need to use. 1 image to generate, 4 images to generate, showing the credits here, and then you can generate, create your images from here. So here are our 4 images that we just generated. So if you want to enhance or upscale of these images, simply select the one that you want to upscale it, and once you click that, you can see the enhance here. So you click on it and you can upscale the images up. Okay, so let's move on to number 7. Number 7 is Dreamlike.Art. So here in Dreamlike.Art, similar to any other text to image generator, you have the option of selecting the type of model that you want to select. So with Dreamlike.Art, you are given 24 credits per day. So here you can see the model here. Once you click here, you have different options of selecting the models to generate your images with. So let's go with the condensed sky. So here we select that, and then here you can see our prompt that we just want to use as in all the text to image generator that we are looking at it now. And again, their plan is 24 credits per day. So let's generate the images. So here are the 4 images that we just generated using the model condensed sky. So we can choose one, and you can see here you have the use as initial image to generate upon it. You can generate the variations here, you can enhance the image, or you can edit the image, and you also can download from here. Now let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is Stablecog. With Stablecog, you're given 120 credits per day. So each day you will be given 120 credits. So very simple UI, and all you have to do is sign up, and then you will be given pre-credits from the beginning, and also each day you will be given 120 credits per day. So let's paste in our prompt here, and then you can choose the model from here. So let's go with the condensed sky, which is the original model. So once we have that, you can select any other things from here. If you don't want to, keep it there, and then let's generate. So here are the images that we just generated using this condensed sky. So again, you can click on it to check it out. You can also upscale from here, and here's the image from here. You can download from here. You can copy the prompt from here. Okay, so number 5. Number 5 is Leonardo AI. So with Leonardo AI, you are given 150 credits daily. So here, all you have to do is sign up. You'll be put on wait list, and once you accepted it, you can be able to generate your images. So let's try generating the same prompt again. So here's our prompt. I'm just using one of my model which I fine-tune or I train it, which is called Hyperreal Portrait. So you can see these are the images that I tested out with using this model that I fine-tune or I train it. They also have other models here that you can choose from. So you have a list of models. You can also select custom models from here. You have the platform models that you can select from to generate. You also have the community models with community fine-tune the models and make it public for everyone to use. And if you also have your own models fine-tuned here, you can see from here. So here are my fine-tuned models that I generate. I release this one to the public, and also I just starting training these 2 here. So let's get back again to select that. You can simply select the model that you want to generate with, and then click the generate with this model. Okay, so from here, our prompt and Hyperreal Portrait. So here, let's generate that. Okay, so here are our images that we just generated from here. You can see. So let's just select one of it. Then you can see option of upscaling from here. So once we click that, this is the image, and you can upscale from here. So just click here to upscale this one to creative upscale. Okay, so this is the original, and here is the creative upscale. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is Mage.Guru. With Mage.Guru, you are given 160 credits per day. So here in Mage.Guru, you can see you have the option of the style of a stable and anim. So this is the best anim generator as I can from my own opinion. So you can use anim to create the anim character, or you can choose the stable to apply to your image. So here we have the stable. We select the real photo, and let's click on generate. Okay, so we just finished generating 4 images from here. So this is number 1. Now with each of these images, you can upscale these images by click on here, and it's given 2 credits. So you can generate upscaling it from here. To download it, you can simply click here, or you can preview the images, or you can preview your image, and you can do a right click to save your image. Now let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is Playground AI. Now with Playground AI, you are given 1000 images per day to generate. That is a lot of images to generate within a day, which you cannot really generate 1000 images per day. So let's get started. So here you have the filter or the style that you want to select from. So you can select any of this style which you are trying to use to generate your images with. And now let's type in our prompt. And once we have that, you can also put in your negative prompt or exclude from your images which you don't want to see. And then let's click on generate from here. And you can choose the number of images to generate it from here. You can choose the dimension from here. You can choose the model from here. So you have the playground version 1, you have the stable diffusion 1.5, you have the stable diffusion 2.1, and Dale E2, which you need to subscribe to use Dale E2. So let's use the playground version 1 here. We have the 4 images, we have the prompt guide, and we have the quality of the detail of the images. And we are not choosing any of the styles, so let's just generate. So here are our 4 images that we just generated using Playground AI. So you have the option of upscale from here, other things that you can see from here, but you can create variations. You can restore pace restoration, and you also have the upscale. So let's just do pace restoration from this one here. Also, we can also upscale the image as well, and you can download once it's already upscaled from here. Now let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is called Mage.space. So with Mage.space, you are given unlimited images to generate each day. It is unlimited. There's no certain figure. So here you can see with the type of model that you want to generate, you're only given for that unlimited images to be generated using stable diffusion 1.5 and stable diffusion 2.1. With other model, you have to upgrade so you can be able to use them. You have the aspect ratio here, you have the steps, and you have the guide scale. So let's type in our prompt. So our prompt is done here, and now from here you can click to generate from this little arrow from here. Okay, so here is our images. Now one thing or limitation that you also have is you only allowed to generate 1 image per generation. So you have the option of enhancing from here, and you can see once you click on enhance, upscale, and pace fix. So now you can see you can download from here. So you might be wondering, where are your images that you just generated? Now if you come to the profile, you can see this is where all your images that you generated will appearing here. Okay, so let's move on to number 1. Number 1 is Blue Willow, which you create unlimited images each day. According to their website, you can see it says Blue Willow offers pay what you can. Now with Blue Willow, just like Midjourney, you generated using the Discord server. So here in the Discord, you can see you have to choose the Rocky, one of these, to start generating your images. So once you choose that, simply add the / and then select Imagine. And once you have that, copy, paste, or type in your prompt. And all you have to do is click enter. So you can see support us with any amount you can. Just type subscribe. So if you want to, here you can put a postlet, and you can see the subscribe button here, and hit enter. And here's the options. Okay, so here's our images that is being generated from here. So you can choose any of this, just like Midjourney, you have the upscale and you have the variation from here, or regenerate it again from here. Okay, so there you have it. 10 best free text to image generator. Again, recap: number 10 Lexica, number 9 Getimg.AI, number 10 Nightcafe Studio, number 7 Dreamlike.Art, number 6 Stablecog.AI, number 5 Leonardo AI, number 4 Maze.Guru, number 3 Playground AI, number 2 Mage.space, and number 1 Blue Willow. What is the best text to image generator to generate a high quality images? So here is number 1. Number 1 is Leonardo.AI. As we have already looked at, 150 credits per day, but you generate high quality images. I think this is the second best to Midjourney. So you can see the quality of images that is coming out from Leonardo AI here. Now what will be my number 2? My number 2 will be Playground AI. So with Playground AI, you can see the quality of images that is generated using Playground AI. And what will be my number 3? My number 3 will be Lexcica. So here's the quality of images that is generated using Lexcica. Okay, so that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. If you have comment them in below, and see you back again.